What's up everyone, how's your day today? Today's video is going to be me reacting to when you accidentally unplug your headset around your parents. But if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that like button and that subscribe button and that turn on notifications button. Thank you, please enjoy.
Hey, yo, he's stupid, bro.
Oh, my eyes.
Yo, chill. Oh. Shad.
His dad, look at his
so
dad.
Funny on that game. Oh, nah, my friends just out here being silly. Y'all ain't being inappropriate, though, yo. Oh, no, sir. No, none of that. All right.
She dropped her drawers. So I dropped my drawers. I was like, hey, yo, I ain't no punk. Give me them cheeks. I'm telling you, boys, them cheeks look like two.
That's right, bro, he's having trouble connecting. Oh my god. His friends are funny.
On that game? Dad, this is game chat. I don't know these people. They sound like Dante. I told you not to be playing the game with Dante no more. No, it's not Dante. I don't play with Dante no more after you told me not to play with him. Pull it out again. No, Dad, I'm not about to unplug my headset so you can hear what they saying.
Oh, he signed his friends.
Boy, pull it out.
I was like, I'm Big Daddy Dante. I'm Dante. Shad, you hear me? Oh,
dang.
I got the video. Hold on, I'm going to send it to you, right?
Oh.
It's Dante.
Dante. Oh
See
no, oh no, oh no.
Do this. That is game.
Bro, I can see his reflection.
My belt on the chat, son. That dude Shad funny.
Bro, he is funny. Shad is funny. But if you guys like this video, thank you. I appreciate you guys for watching. My socials are down in the description. Make sure to go follow my Instagram. And please subscribe. It's 1 second. That helped me a lot. And I appreciate it. But thank you guys for watching. Peace.